Hi everyone, it's Risa from Risa's Journal. Today I'm setting up my April bullet journal spread. It's been such a long time since I last uploaded and I wanted to apologize about that. But today I'm back with my April spread. I really didn't have an idea of what I wanted to do, but I quite like the way that my March cover ended up looking like, so I think I'm going to do something similar to that. Here I'm starting to pull out some stickers that I feel like would go well with a kind of theme I have in mind. I really didn't have an idea, but I quite like the colors in that sticker sheet, so I'm looking for some alphabet stickers now. And I'm also going to look for some washi tape that's colorful that will kind of fit with the alphabet stickers I'm pulling out, as well as those little smaller stickers that I pulled out beforehand. I think this one really hits the mark, so this one is going to be my base, it's going to be the theme, and I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the reel of me decorating. This is what it ended up looking like. I quite like it. It's funny how much my bullet journaling style has changed over the years. It's become a lot more free-spirited, cutesy, almost like a childish kind of aesthetic. I'm not sure if that's the right way to put it, but we'll just run with that. Now I'm setting up my monthly calendar. I am going with the open layout, meaning I'm just drawing in the horizontal lines. I've been doing this for the past couple of months and I quite like it because, one, it's so much faster to set up. Two, it allows me to just be really free-spirited the way I plan. I can just write across all the different lines and not have to worry about being contained in one box. As always, I'm including an upcoming box. This allows me to just write some quick notes about things that are going to happen in the next month that I should really pay attention to or keep on my radar because it might be happening right when the new month starts. So I just want to be sure that I'm planning for those. And I'm just going to leave you guys to enjoy the rest of my decorating clips. Here I'm starting to plan for some things that are happening in April. And for all of this tough work I'm doing, I have some tea and a cake. I will leave the recipe to this in the description box if you're curious how this one was made. Now I'm finishing up my monthly calendar. It's going to change a little bit as I use it, but that's generally how it's going to look. And now I'm starting my weekly spread. On the left hand side, I'm creating 6 boxes for Monday through Friday, and then the 6th box is going to be Saturday and Sunday combined. On the right hand side, I'm leaving it blank so I can write in my weekly assignments that I do for my classes. In the past, I've had that page separate at the way end of all my weekly spreads, but this time, since I know that I'm going to have less things to do, for my classes is going to be just a lot of bigger things to do. It should all fit on one page, no problem. Now I'm going to decorate that empty space on the left just with some random pieces of paper, some stickers, and then I'm going to write a quick blurb. weekly assignments page, I use one of my Tombow dual brush pens and draw a line across and then write week, whatever week it is. And then underneath, I will write out all of my assignments. Each course, I like to use a separate pen just to make that course stand out a little bit. And that's it, really simple. This has been my April bullet journal setup. If you guys have any questions about where I got any products or why I do things a certain way, whatever it is, feel free to leave it down below and I will try my best to get back to you. As always, thanks for watching and stay safe out there.